Assalamu alaikum, students. Today we are going to start the topic 10.5 of chapter number 10, that is simple harmonic motion and the waves. So we are going to start the last topic of this chapter, that is 10.5. It is basically your experiment. Also, basically, first of all, we see that what is ripple tank? Ripple tank is basically a device which generates waves. A device which generates waves. And also know the characteristics of ripple tank and the characteristics of wave using this device. And in characteristics, we have three types. First one is the reflection of waves. Reflection of waves. Second one is the refraction of waves. Refraction of waves. And then the last one is diffraction or diffraction of the waves. So we have to study these 5 points in this topic, the ripple tank. First of all, we will see that what is ripple tank. So the definition of ripple tank is a device to produce water waves and to study their characteristics. We are going to do 2 things in ripple tank. First one is to generate the waves and second one is to study their characteristics. So first of all, in the definition part, we have first point is to produce or generate the water waves. Generate the water waves. And second part we have to do is to study their characteristics. To study their characteristics. So when we add both of these, what we get is the complete definition of the ripple tank. That is, ripple tank is a device to produce water waves and to study their characteristics. Ripple tank is a device used to produce water waves and to study their characteristics. Okay, now after the definition, we have construction. Then what is the ripple tank? So let's see this construction. I am going to write all these things over here. First of all, we have the definition. Then comes the instruction. In characteristics. We have three types. First one is the reflection. Second one is the reflection. And the third one is the reflection. So we have seen the definition of a reflectant. Now we are going to see the construction of a reflectant. So in construction, this is basically a rectangular tray type device. It consists of a rectangular tray having the bottom and is placed right at the top for you. This is the rectangular tray. Rectangular tray having glass bottom, and this bottom is made up of glass. Glass bottom. This is the rectangular tray. And on this we have a motor or a vibrator. Motor is connected to this. This is a wooden block. Motor. And this whole part, this whole part is known as vibrator or the oscillator. It's the oscillating pad. Oscillating pad. And then we have a power supply over here. Which is connected to the motor. This is the power supply. And we have a lamp. So how many parts are ripple tank have? First one is the power supply. Power supply of the ripple tank, which is connected to the motor, or we can say the vibrator. When you turn on or switch on the power supply, what will happen? The motor starts moving. The motor starts moving, and because it is attached to a wooden block, this wooden block, the motor is present on the wooden block. So what will happen? the wooden block starts vibrate because the motor is running. Okay, over here we have a lamp that is on, connected over the table, and then after that the wooden block, rectangular tray and a glass one. This is the main parts of the ripple tank. And we have a paper, or you can say a white screen, white cardboard placed underneath the table. So let's see. Okay. Paper is present on the there. This is the white paper, or you can say the white screen. White paper on the screen. So, what is the main purpose of paper tank? Why we placed this white paper underneath the table, and why there is a lamp connected over the whole device, that is ripple tank. So we place the lamp so that we can study the characteristics of water waves. On the rectangular tray, we have a little water in it, a very little water. So whenever we turn on or switch on the power supply, what will happen? The motor starts vibrating, and due to water, this wooden block starts vibrating. And this wooden block is placed over the tray at the level where it just touches the water level. The level where it just touches the water level. So what will happen? There are the waves starts producing in the water waves, and because this is the glass tray, we can see underneath the table that how the waves are producing. When we turn on this lamp or switch on this lamp, what will happen? A complete pattern or a complete shadow of water waves will generate on this paper. Like this. These are the waves. These are the straight waves. Straight waves mean the waves in a straight direction. Means in the same direction waves are traveling. So we are seeing two things on the paper. First one is the bright lines, and second one is the dark lines on the paper. Now, what are the white lines and what are the dark lines on the paper? These are like these are the waves that we can see, sorry, the shadow of waves that we can see on the paper. Shadow of waves. So here we will see that there are two types, these black lines and the white part. So what is this? These black lines are the dark lines And these white part, this is paper. These white parts are the bright lines. Bright lines. In your book, on page number 12, you have the diagram of both of these, figure number 10.11 and the figure number 10.12. In figure 10.11, you can see the apparatus, assembled apparatus of refill tank, and on the figure 10.12, you will see the pattern that is generated on the white paper or on the white screen. These patterns have two lines, dark lines and the bright lines. The dark lines basically are the blue lines, whereas the bright lines are the white lines in your book. So these are the crust and troughs. Crust and both of these are the crust and trough. Now, what is the crust in this and what is trough in this? Crust are the bright lines, means the white lines are the crust of the waves, whereas the dark lines means the blue lines of waterways are the trough of waterways. So, reflectant is a device to produce waterways and to study their characteristics. After that, we have seen its construction. This apparatus consists of a rectangular tray having glass bottom. This is the glass bottom and this complete is a rectangular tray. And the distance of glass from the tray is at least half meter. Half meter. Distance of glass from the tray. Also known as the pedal wheel. When we switch on the power supply, what will happen? The motor starts running and all the water attached on the wooden block. What will happen? This wooden block starts vibrating. And due to the vibration present in the wooden block, what will happen? The water waves also starts vibrating because this wooden block is just attached or just placed on the surface of the water wave. So, okay, after that, when we switch on the lamp, we will clearly observe the pattern, the frames, or the lines, dark and bright lines on the screen underneath the table. So, that is how the reflectance work. So, from this white paper on the white screen, we can easily observe the characteristics of water waves. And what are the three characteristics of water waves? First one is the reflection, second one is the refraction, and then we have diffraction. Okay, then this vibrator is an oscillating electric motor fixed on a wooden plate. Means this whole part is the vibrator or the oscillating pedal. Vibrator. On setting the vibrator on, this wooden plate, starts vibrating to generate water waves consist of straight wave fronts. Straight wave fronts mean straight waves, An electric bulb is hung above the tray to observe the image of water waves appear as bright and dark lines respectively on the screen. This is the shallow tray. This is a shallow tray in which we have a little water inside it, very little water, that the wooden block or the vibrator just touches or it can just place over the surface of the water waves. And here we have a power supply to drive the motor and a white screen beneath the tray to capture the image or the shadow of the waves formed when the water spread across the tank. So after that, this is the construction. Is there any problem or anything clear in the definition and in the construction of water waves? Let me first take your attendance. Let's start. Fatma Aslam, is everything clear, bete?
Yes, miss.
Now we are going to study the characteristics of the water waves. Now you see the reflection of water waves. Reflection. First of all, what is a reflection? Reflection means to reflect from one medium again in the same medium. First of all, we will see the definition of reflection. This is when waves moving in one medium fall on the surface of another medium, they bounce back into the first medium such that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the definition of reflection. Means what will happen? These are the waves. These are the waves coming or we are observing on the white screen, they are coming from here. Means the direction of waves are towards right side. So what will happen if we place a barrier over here? This is the barrier of any hurdle, any obstacle you can say. So what will happen when the waves hit this barrier? They when they hit this barrier, what will happen? It travels back in the same direction. If the waves are coming from here, travel the barrier, sorry, hit the barrier or touches the barrier and then moves back on the water. This is the case when we place the barrier just in the direction of the water wave. When we place the barrier straight in the direction of the water wave, what will happen? They bounce or they hit the barrier and then reflect back with the same position or with the same direction. This is the first case. The waves hit and then bounce back. Now, what will happen if we place this barrier at some angle? These are the water waves coming and we have placed the barrier at some angle. Now then what will happen when the water waves hit this barrier? When the water waves hit this barrier, what will happen? They change their direction of motion, means the particles of water waves starts traveling in another direction with some angle. Means they starts traveling in this direction. Like waves are coming in this direction. After hitting the barrier, they start traveling in this direction. And if we want to find out the angle between these two waves, what we have to do is we have to draw a perpendicular or you can say the tangent. Sorry, we have to draw a normal line on the barrier, normal on the tangent line on the barrier. So after drawing this tangent, we will observe that the angle that the waves are making with the normal or with the tangent, this angle is known as the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. And this angle of incidence, we will observe that this is equal to the angle of reflection. Now, where is the angle of reflection? Here. After hitting, when they change their direction or when they change their position, what will happen? We will draw a tangent and measure the angle between the two waves. First wave is before hitting the barrier. So before hitting we have angle of incidence and after hitting we have angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. So we will observe that both of these two angles are same. And this whole part is known as the law of reflection. fourth part is known as the law of reflection. So again, we will discuss the definition. When waves moving in one medium mean first medium is before touching the barrier. When the direction of the waves are when the direction of the waves is horizontal. So this is the first medium, and after hitting the barrier, when the wave starts traveling in this direction, this is the second medium of the waves. So when waves moving in one medium fall on the surface of another medium, they bounce back into the first medium. This is the first medium wave, and this barrier is the second medium. So when the waves hit the second medium, what will happen? They start traveling on the same medium again. मतलब टोटल क्या वाटर में से ये वेव्स ट्रैवल करती हुई आई और वाटर में ही वापस चली गई, रिफ्लेक्ट कर गई विद सम एंगल. They bounce back into the first medium such that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So this is reflection of water waves. In our next lecture, we will see what is the reflection and what is the diffraction and what is the speed of water waves in the medium. Any confusion or any question? So I hope everything is clear. Today we have seen the definition of a ripple tank, that is, this is a device used to generate or used to produce the water waves and to study their characteristics. And in characteristics, we have three parts. First one is the reflection, then the refraction, and then the diffraction of the water waves. After that, we have seen the construction of ripple tank. Means the ripple tank is a device that generates the water waves, and in the construction we have a rectangular tray, a glass bottom, a bulb, a power supply, and a vibrator or the oscillating pedal. And we will observe the characteristics on the white screen present underneath or behind, sorry, underneath the table or the glass bottom. After that, we have seen the reflection of water waves. Means when the waves from one medium bounce or hits the second medium, they start moving or start traveling in the same medium with some angle. So inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.